Welcome to our journey through the annals of human history, where we delve into the origins of culture, philosophy, and the sense of humanity itself. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors embarked on a profound and enduring journey on Earth. From the development of agriculture to the emergence of language, civilization flourished, leaving behind footprints in places like Babylon, Egypt, and Mesopotamia. The birth of philosophy in ancient Greece marked a new era of reason and inquiry, challenging the prevailing mythological explanations. Philosophy ushered in a rational order based on dialogue and truth, transforming human interaction and our understanding of the cosmos. Today, the age-old question of what defines us as human beings remains as relevant as ever. Join us so we can explore the sense of humanity. As we explore human history, we encounter modern ideas like transhumanism, which suggests using technology to overcome human limitations. But does this change what it means to be human, or can technology really alter who we are? Some people believe that we can use technology like to improve ourselves, like make us better than we naturally are. They say we can fix things like getting sick or getting old, like turning humans into superhumans. But if we start changing ourselves with technology, are we still the same kind of human? Well, our basic nature might get all mixed up with machines that could cause some big problems. For example, it might be hard to tell who's human and who's not human anymore, and we'd have to think hard about things like fairness and what it means to be in control of ourselves. So, while the idea of becoming superhuman sounds cool or great, we've got to be careful. We need to think about what are we really changing and what it means for all of us. Throughout history, culture, and human identity have influenced each other. But can historical events change what it means to be human? Do our experiences shape us into different kinds of beings, like workers or technology dependent individuals? Yeah, of course. Humans and culture are closely connected, they influence each other. History shapes our understanding of humanity. Events like technological advancements or changes in work patterns can change or alter how we see ourselves as humans. Our essence, or the core of what makes us who we are, can evolve because of these factors. Since humans are always changing, our essence isn't like set in a stone. Science has sometimes been misused to promote harmful ideas about genetic differences between races. But are these differences real, and why does it matter? How can philosophy help us understand and challenge these harmful beliefs? The idea that certain races are determined by genetics is really wrong. It's used to say some races are better than others, which leads to discriminations and lots of violence. Philosophy cares because it's not about fairness and what makes us human. To fight these ideas, we need to question them, educate people, and talk about equality. We should also learn more about science to understand why these kind of ideas are untrue or false. It's about treating everyone with respect, no matter what they look like or where they come from.
Over the millenniums, we have sought answer to fundamental questions, for example, who we are and what our purpose here is. And that is one of the questions that philosophy makes. But what is philosophy? Well, philosophy is the reflections on the agents, properties, cause and effects of natural things, especially on man and the universe. It is a discipline that challenge or deeply held beliefs and invite us to question the very essence of the existence. Today we face new challenges that raise even deeper questions. For example, transhumanity movement. But what is transhumanity movement? Well, is the challenge us to transcend our natural limitations through technology. But what does this mean for our human actions? Are we getting close to becoming technological beings rated than human? Another thing is the influence of cultural and history on our identity raise fascinating questions. How do historical and cultural influence shape us? Are we simply products of our environment, or is there something else that defines our essence? And also, one of the challenge is the genetics and racism, which continues to be a burning issue in the world today. Can we really justify the superiority of certain breeds based on genetics? And for me, one of the most important question or most interesting question is, why does this exist in today's world? Well, this question challenge us to look beyond our pre-established beliefs and embrace the uncertainty of our own existence. They remind us that philosophy is not just an intellectual exercise, but a constant search for truth and understanding. Thank you.